Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you are joining us for the first time, welcome and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And to my subscribers, thank you so much. In today's tutorial, I'll be sharing with you guys how I made this off-shoulder dress, fitted dress. It has front slits. And if this is what you are interested in, keep on watching and make sure you watch it to the end. Give this video a thumbs up, and guys, you can also turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new tutorials like this. And guys, let's get started now with our tutorials for today. These are the items that we'll be needing for our tutorials: our tape rule, our ruler, our scissors, our chalk, and our fabric that we are using today is crepe material, 2 yards of it, and our zipper, our bias. These are the items that we are using for our tutorials today. Guys, let's get started now. To start, I'm folding my fabric into 4 pieces. Okay, so this is the fabric that we are using. It's a crepe material, so I have to fold it into 4 pieces. Alright, for us to start our body measurement. Okay guys, please keep on watching to the end. Guys, don't forget I'm cutting the front piece and the back piece together, so I'll start by drawing a straight line for us to start our measurement. By now, you should be familiar with an off-shoulder measurement. So I'll go ahead now with my length, which is by 48 inch. Okay, so the length of my dress is by 48 inch. So I'm going to mark that on both sides of the fabric that we are making today. Alright. The neck is by 3 inch and is a sweetheart neckline. I'll go down by 2 inch for the depth of my neckline. Then I'll give a curve. It's a round neck at the back, so the front is a sweetheart neckline. Alright. I'll go ahead now to mark my armhole by 1.5 inch. Alright. So now I'm going to mark 15 inch from the half length of my dress that I'm making today. So I'm going by 15 inch. Then I'll draw a straight line for that. Then my hip line is by 25 inch. Okay. So I'm going by 25 inch for my hip line. I will rule it out. I'm using 35 inch for my bust, then I will add 1 inch for my stitching allowance. Alright, so I will mark 28 inch for my waistline and also add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. Alright, now my hip is by 38 inch, so I also add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. Okay, so I'll go straight down to my hemline now. So I'm going to shape it by 33 inch. Alright. So that's the 33 inch that I'm using to shape my hemline. My back neckline, I will mark 2 inch, that is the depth of the back neckline, and is a round neck. I'm marking 2 inch for that. So I will connect all the marks together. Alright. So please keep on watching down to the end so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making. It's a unique style, very simple to cut and sew on your own. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and learn from it. You can also pause now to click the red button under my video to subscribe. You can like, comment, let us know what you think about our tutorial. Alright, Please support this channel by watching this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. I really want this channel to grow this year, and we can grow this channel together by supporting each other. Please watch this tutorial down to the end. It's another way for you to support my channel to grow, guys. So I'm going to also teach you guys how to cut and sew the sleeves and not shoulder sleeve that we are going to cut on it, and we are going to gather it a bit at the edge of the sleeve, and it's going to also have a side zipper, guys. So please keep on watching so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making today. And don't forget, we are using crepe material to achieve the style that we are making today. So I'm going to pull out the front neckline. I'm going to pull it out so that we can cut it out. You can see the way I'm curving my scissors to get our sweetheart neckline, guys. I hope you are following up, and I hope you are enjoying the tutorial for today, guys. So let me spread so that you can see the unique neckline, the sweetheart neckline. You can see how beautiful it is. We are going to run a stitch on it. So after that, we are going to also wear it out for you to see the fitness of the outfit that we are making today. Remember, our dress is going to have front slits, okay? So this is how to go about it. So now I will go ahead to mark 16.5 inch from my hemline to the point I want it to stop, okay? So this is how to go about it when making your own, guys. Don't forget, we are going to also use our bias to stitch the edge of the slit to give a nice sewing, and it has a zipper at the side. So now is our sleeve. So I'm going to fold my sleeve into two pieces because I'm cutting the two pieces, that is the two sleeve, I'm cutting them together. Okay, so I'm trying to arrange it so that we can take our measurement for our sleeve. So I'll go for my width, which is by 7 inch. Okay, the width is by 7 inch. All right, so I'm still trying to arrange it very well so that we don't shorten our measurement. So I'm going to also use bands to complete the sleeve, that is the length of the sleeve. So the width is by 7 inch. All right, so this is how to cut and sew your off shoulder sleeve. All right, so my shoulder is by 4 inch. Okay, then I'll mark my armhole by 5 inch. So the length, I'm going by 17 inch. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll just connect all the marks together. Okay, so after that, we are going to take it to the machine to run a stitch on it. So I'm going to also show you guys how to gather it, because I'm going to gather it a bit at the edge of the sleeve before attaching our bands on it to complete the length of our sleeve. You can see how simple it is for you to cut and sew this off shoulder fitted dress with front slit that we are making today. It's very simple and easy to cut and sew. All you need to do is for you to follow the procedure that we are using to cut it now, and you can able to cut your own after watching this particular tutorial down to the end. I believe you are enjoying it. Please keep on watching so that you can see the fitness of the outfit that we are making after cutting and stitching it all together. So this is the band that we are using to complete the length of our sleeve. So I'm going by 2 inch for the width. I'm cutting the two together. The two bands, I'm cutting them together. I also run a stitch on it before attaching it to the sleeve that we are making today, guys. Very unique style that we are cutting today. Please support this channel by watching this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. I really want this channel to grow this year, guys. All right, so the next step is for us to gather the sleeve at the edge of it. You can see how I'm doing it. This is how to drag your thread after running a stitch at the edge of your sleeve. You can see how beautiful it is. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So we are going to attach our band on it. You can see the band now. So this is how to go about it. I'm using my pin to pin it down before I'll take it to the machine and run a stitch on it and attach it to the main dress that we are making today. So guys can see how beautiful it is. This is how I made my off shoulder fitted dress with front slits. Very unique, classic and simple. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Our long video is on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so you can keep a date with us. Please support this channel by watching this particular tutorial down to the end, guys. I love you all. Please watch my other tutorials now.